Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this awesome slime. It is not sticky. So what you'll need hand soap. It's equate hand soap with aloe vera. You'll also need Jason hand soap. It can be any flavor. So I just dumped out all the slime on the table to show you guys how to make the slime, so yeah. You'll need a bowl and something to mix with. You can also use a plate too. First you want to pour in your equate hand soap with aloe vera. You can get the equate hand soap at Target. So as you can see, it already looks like slime, but when you touch it, it's a little bit sticky. So next you want to add your Jason hand soap. It can be any flavor again. Why I'm moving it so close to the camera is because I'm adding the pumps of the Jason hand soap. I'm sorry about that. And then you just mix. It will start to turn into slime just like that. And if you're like a daredevil, you can start touching it. So again, I'm adding more Jason hand soap. Please correct me in the comments if I'm saying that Jason hand soap wrong. So I wanted to make more, so then I started adding more equate hand soap and then more Jason hand soap. But as you can see, I mixed it in with the old slime and it kind of turned slimy, and then I don't know why I added more Jason hand soap, but maybe I was trying to be safe in case it was too sticky. So as you can see, it is not sticky. I just showed you that it wasn't sticky, so then after that I started grabbing it. It is a little bit sticky when you grab it, but yeah. So again, I'm adding more Jason hand soap. And please, if I'm saying it wrong, please correct me, because I have no idea how you say that, how you say the name of that hand soap. Again, I'm adding more Jason hand soap. So after I was done, I started playing around with it, and I started pouring all the slime together and put it on my As you can see, it's not even that sticky, but if you hold it in really long, it will be sticky. So thank you guys for watching, and bye!